Hello friends, we are going to study the sources of light. We are familiar with the sources of light. The sources can be classified into two groups, primary sources and secondary sources. The primary sources are the sources which emit the light of their own. The sources which emit the light of their own are called as primary sources. The secondary sources are the sources which do not emit the light of their own. Means the sources which do not emit light of their own are called as secondary sources. Primary sources emit the light because of their high temperature, because of by passing the electric current, because of nuclear reactions. Means due to these three reasons, the sources emit the light of their own. In secondary sources, these are the sources which do not emit the light of their own, but they emit the light either by reflection or by scattering. Means the sources which emit the light either by reflection or by scattering are called as secondary sources of light. Now look at the examples. What are the examples? Examples of the primary sources of light are according to these three different reasons. Number one, because of high temperature, means sun, stars or hot bodies. Hot bodies. These are the examples of primary sources regarding the high temperature. Bulb, tube, television, these are the sources which emit the light because of passing the electric current. So these are the primary sources. Again, nuclear power generator due to nuclear reactions. So these are the primary sources. We are familiar with all these examples. We receive the light from the sun because of high temperature. We receive the light from stars. We receive the light from hot bodies. Means when any metal is heated to high temperature, it emits the light. Bulb, tube, television, when electric current is passed through it emits the light. Similarly, in secondary sources of light, these sources emit the light either by reflection or by scattering. And most common example is moon. Moon emits the light by the reflection phenomenon. Second, we observe the different examples, different objects, images, such as animals, human beings, different objects on the earth, such as car, building, trees, etc. All these different objects reflect the light, so we can observe these objects. So these objects will act as secondary sources of light. आता एकत्रित विचार केला याचा तर प्रायमरी सोर्सेस हे स्वतःहून लाईट इमिट करतात. ज्यामध्ये सूर्य येतो, स्टार येतात, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास झाल्यानंतर बल्ब लाईट इमिट करतो, टेलिव्हिजन लाईट इमिट करतो किंवा न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर जनरेटर. ही जी एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत ही प्रायमरी सोर्सेस, म्हणजे त्या सोर्सेसना एक्सटर्नल फोर्स दुसरा कोणता लागतो. इथं मात्र सेकंडरी सोर्सेस मध्ये एक तर रिफ्लेक्शन व्हावं किंवा दुसरं स्कॅटरिंग. आता स्कॅटरिंगचं म्हणाल एक्झाम्पल तर ॲटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये डिफरंट पार्टिकल्स आहेत. वेगवेगळे पार्टिकल्स such as smoke, ash, water vapor, carbon monoxide, etc. And when light emitted by the sun travels through the atmosphere, strikes these different particles in atmosphere. And due to different particles, light gets scattered in different directions. So we can observe the color of the sky as blue because of the scattering of light. So moon, animals, human beings, and different objects such as car, building, trees, etc. on the surface of Earth, we receive the light from these objects by the reflection. So this is the sources of light.